Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to transfer photos from iPhone to your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So, for this we don't need iCloud or iTunes, we just need the function which is named AirDrop. So, to find it, just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then press and hold this folder, and here select AirDrop and select everyone for 10 minutes. You need to do just the same on your phone, so just press and hold and turn on this AirDrop. So now let's open our gallery and choose which photos we want to transfer. Use the button to select one photo, or you can swipe like that and select many other photos. Then use the share icon, here choose the AirDrop, and now wait for it to recognize this iPad. Here it is, just click it like that. And on this device we just need to accept these photos. And now it will be transferred within a couple of seconds. So here it is. If you want to transfer a lot of photos and don't want for your iPad to turn off during the process, you can just open settings. Here go in the display and brightness section, and in the auto lock select never. And that's it for today. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.